Hi, it's Ben from Universal Lithium, and today we're looking at EJ Technology's latest 60 amp battery capacity test system. This unit tests batteries by discharging from your test battery into a larger storage battery. Now that's pretty different to what's currently on the market. Typical units use a resistive load to measure capacity. This is able to transfer energy from your test battery over to your storage battery and then send it back to charge that battery back up. Now that's very efficient compared to using a resistive load where all of your energy is lost to heat. If you're testing a lot of batteries, a unit like this is going to save a lot of money. It's a 60 amp tester, so it can test batteries quickly. There's a very wide range of input and output voltages as well, so you're able to test from 12 volt through to 48 volt. If you're interested in this, watch along as E&J take you through more detailed specifications.
First, correctly connect the battery pack to the product. On the left is the energy storage battery, and on the right is the battery under test. The capacity of the energy storage battery must be greater than that of the battery under test. Then we turn on the product's power switch. Use an RS485 to USB communication cable to connect the product to the computer. Then open the host computer software. Click Start Read in the top right corner. After that, you will see that the product has read the battery information. Once you have confirmed that the information is correct, press the Operational Set button to configure the charge or discharge parameters and the number of cycles. The video demonstrates the parameter settings for testing the capacity of a 12-volt battery using a 12-volt energy storage battery. The parameters on the right are for the energy storage battery, while those on the left are for the battery under test. After confirming the configured parameters, we return to the initial interface. Press the Start button and verify once more that the read value is correct. That wraps up everything for this video. Looking forward to seeing you again.